I'm Cat.
And I'm Hutch.
And we are from Cat and Hutch Storytelling.
And we want to introduce you to this book here. My Parents Cancelled My Birthday by Joe Simmons and Nathan Reed. Now, we love this story. After a series of very unfortunate events in the book, Tom has his birthday cancelled. No! But don't worry, because he still manages to make an epic birthday party for himself. Now, if you want to find out why his birthday was cancelled and how he makes his party so epic, you're going to have to read the book. But we were inspired by this book because, just like many of you, we had a birthday at home this year.
That's right. And we decided to put on our very own little party.
Yeah.
So we did some dancing.
And some singing!
And we also played a game of charades.
Play along with us and see if you can guess the books.
It's your turn now. See if you can guess what book this is.
Ready?
5 words. First word. Second word. Third word. Fourth word. And the 5th word.
Did you get it? It was How to Train Your Dragon by Cressida Cowell.
We also wanted to know what some of the other characters in this story were going to do for their at-home birthdays. So we met up with Nana,
The Tooth Fairy,
and Mum.
to find out what their perfect party would be.
And this is what happened. Oh, for my perfect at-home party, I would love to have Mystic Morris round. Have you heard of Mystic Morris?
Oh yes, from the telly.
Yes, the psychic. Oh, Mystic Morris is amazing. They can get spirits from the other world to come back and talk to you. It's fantastic. And I would just love for Mystic Morris to put me in touch with my dear beloved little chihuahua, Margarita. I miss her so much. Oh my! Oh, how excited! Oh dear.
Hello, Maury!
Oh, Mystic Morris! Oh, I'm such a biggest
Oh no, don't touch, don't touch.
Sorry,
Yes.
I'm your biggest fan, Mystic Morris.
I knew that. You see, the spirits told me. And I've got a very special birthday treat for you. As I know it is your birthday.
You knew it was my birthday!
Of course I did. The spirits told me. So I'm going to have to summon a very special present for you.
Oh.
But first of all, just shake this first and repeat after me. Abracadabra!
Abracadabra!
Twinkle little star!
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Humpty Dumpty!
Humpty Dumpty.
Postman Pat!
Postman Pat.
Fireman Sam!
Fireman Sam.
Twinkle, twinkle. Abracadabra!
Abracadabra. Who's here? Oh. In there.
Don't touch.
Oh. Look. Listen.
It is someone who is very, very close to you. Who has left this plane,
Oh.
we call this planet, recently.
Oh,
You
okay.
lost someone who's your dog.
My dog.
Your dog. Yes, your dog. Your dog called Sam Tara.
Margarita.
Margarita. Yes, Margarita, your dog, which was a huge a huge...
Oh, she was a little
Chihuahua! Yes, a huge, cute chihuahua.
Don't touch
But as you can see, it is in this bottle here.
Oh my goodness.
Margarita. But if you listen carefully, you can hear her. Listen.
Oh, that is her. Oh, bless her. Although her bark's gone a little bit deeper.
Really? Let us see. Summon more spirits, and I think a bit of mystical smoke will come as well. Yes.
Wow.
Now, the voice is in your voice.
In my voice?
So you must bark like your dog.
Well, I'll try. I mean, since she came all this way. Yeah, she had a very high-pitched bark. It was like this. Ow! 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 Ow!
That is right. Did she say something to me now,
Oh.
Tiara? She wants to wish you a very happy birthday.
Oh, Margarita, that is so lovely. Thank you. Oh, I wish I'd brought her squeaky toy. If I'd known she was coming, I would have brought it with me.
Oh, she says not to worry because she's got her favorite chew toy with her, which of course is a huge, big, bouncy ball.
She was always very scared of giant balls, what with her being so little.
Oh, she says she has to go now.
Oh, my dear Margarita. Oh, well, it was lovely to hear from you. Margarita.
Oh, she's saying she must go.
Oh,
Yes. So we must say goodbye.
okay.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Margarita. Thank you for coming, my darling. I'll see you in a few years' time.
Oh, she's gone now, my dear. Have you had a wonderful birthday, Mom?
I have. It's been so lovely to have you
No,
here,
no,
Mr.
just-
Morris. Sorry, Mr. I'm just such a big fan. This really has made my day, Mystic Morris.
and have you got fun plans for today?
Oh, yes, I'm going to see my grandson, Tom. He's made me a present, which I'm very excited about. And my daughter-in-law actually bought me an online music session, an online dance session. So I'm going to be doing that. And then I've got a Zoom call with some of the ladies from my sewing club. And then I've got my book club a bit later on. And then I was going to have a little... Oh, Mr. Morris? Are you okay?
Yes, of course, my dear. Sorry, I was being summoned by the spirits, and I got taken away for a moment.
Oh my, did you go anywhere nice?
Yes, but I cannot tell.
Oh, fair enough.
Of course. But I must be going, my dear Maureen.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, well, it
But,
was
again,
lovely. Oh, okay. Right, well, it was lovely to meet you.
Let's go. You are very welcome. I must be going. I must be going.
Oh, Mr. Morris? What did he do there? So, Tooth Fairy, if you had a stay-at-home birthday party, what would you want there?
Ooh, I would have all of my favourite teeth friends there. And there'd be a giant toothbrush so that we can all be brushing ourselves and be pearly white. And there'd be no plaque in sight. Plaque's not invited, no. Oh, and then we can have a giant toothy conga line. Oh, that would be the dream.
Giant toothbrush, just like I asked for. Oh, this is the best birthday. And all of my toothy friends are here. Oh, look, here's little Tommy. Let's give Tommy a brush. There you go, Tommy. Oh, and little Timmy. Brush Timmy too. And Tara. And Tamara. And Tamal. Oh, and Timon. And Tumba. Oh, and here's little Thomas. Oh, and Tegan. Oh, yes. And Terry-Ann. Oh, and finally, I've got to reach up really, really high for this one. It is Tamisha. Look at all of you. You're shining so pearly. That means it's now time to do the toothy conga line.
We
been the best birthday ever.
Ooh, if I was to have my own homemade party, what would I do? That's a very good question, and I haven't really thought about it before. I don't think I've really had time to consider it. Gosh. Well, you know what would be lovely is just to have everyone look after me for the day. That would be so nice. Maybe my husband could cook for me. He is a very good cook. But to make it a bit different, he could wear a chef's outfit. Yeah, I think I would like that. And just bring me everything I wanted when I called for it. So just to be at my every beck and call, that would be very, very nice. Maybe he could give me a little massage, rub my feet, and just generally pamper me for the day. I think that would be the nicest thing, to be able to relax. Lewis, darling, I'm thirsty. Oh yes, I am rather peckish. These would go very well with some olives, Lewis. Oh yes, what do I fancy? Maybe some chocolate brownies. Lewis, before you go, I'm rather warm. If you have a homemade party coming up, make sure you read this book, as it might give you some ideas of your own.
See you next time. Bye.